welcome in everybody. Did I show the subtitles from last night for a second? Anyway, we are live with the end of this game. And for those... Oh, dang it. It didn't save that I changed it to the actual category last night. Let's set that real quick. There we go. Because I want to be in the actual Ephemeral Fantasia category for the finale. So that fans can come in and enjoy the ending again. Apparently those don't work in this world. Yay. Alright. I haven't run anything. Oh, there it is. Right when I say something. We can get new enemies or stuff we fought before. A mix. And tomorrow we'll be starting Eternal Strands. We'll be doing Eternal Strands for the rest of the month, and then back to our normal schedule starting July. And thus the Lord descended upon the land. Oh wait, no, it's just a celestial. You seem to be in trouble. This time we are troubled as well. I never imagined that man would go this far. We do not regard him as such a threat. The only reason our village is in the sky is because it uses the power of spirits from this island. And to find the island in such a state, well, Celestial's in trouble, I guess anything can happen. Rommel, your sarcasm is unnecessary. I came on this way to help you. So what, are you going to turn the island back to the way it was? Carefully, that is beyond our capabilities. About the only thing we can do is help get your friends out of trouble. Fortunately or unfortunately, due to the nature of this closed dimension, it seems he hasn't been sent off that far. What are we supposed to do? I think they meant they haven't been sent off that far. This is called Spiritual Stone. It's a tool of Celestials. We use it to synchronize our souls and communicate with those far away. If you all have some kind of hidden power, it's unlikely an Earthling could learn how to use it. If you touch the stone directly, I bet you at least we all have a soul connection without even speaking. Unless if we trust each other. If souls meld together, the bodies will most likely be released. So take this with you. Yay! We will assist you. Basically, the Celestials are running all the shots right now. You keep talking like that, but in the end, you're leaving it all up to us. Okay. So now we can actually start rescuing our friends. Problem is, I don't know where they all are off the top of my head. I know I'll see them all eventually, but I believe Lloyd should be right around here somewhere. Hey look, it's I wonder. No, he says only if you trust each other, so I doubt it. Just rotating the camera so I can get a clear view of everything. You know, try to double check, because Lloyd's supposed to be near here, I know that. You know, this time hasn't moved at all. I'm glad I put that anti-status effect on Mouse. Because imagine if Mouse with his super powerful attacks got confused. That'd be a little dangerous. Just a tiny bit. Grant level. Why is Fang level 48 and Grant level 20? I'm gonna pull up an FAQ just so I can find Lloyd faster. Because I know he's on this screen, I just don't know exactly where. Okay, so apparently he's at the village. So back up we go. The rest are on town. It's Lloyd's the only one that's not. I thought he was down one squirrel. Yeah, it's a good thing we checked, because I don't know if we need everybody, but we do have to rescue most of our team. What? Oh, okay. I misread that. Oh, one person not in the village, but yeah. Okay. He's next to a single small tree. Boy. Our Angrand just leveled up. Nice. Um. What? Where's the bridge? It's stupid. I keep wanting to grab my remote to turn up the brightness on TV through the volume button. I don't know why. Just because I'm having a little bit of trouble seeing some of the stuff on the screen right now. Because of the lighting. There he is. Come, Lloyd, join us. We returned. Awaken, 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 awaken. Take the land that must be taken. Clack, 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 clack. Lloyd has been revived. Food awaiting your party? Yes. Bye, Claire. I'd rather have Lloyd than Claire. Claire's not a terrible character. She's actually useful support-wise, but just, you know. I like my robots. Wait. Oh, okay. I was checking what Analyze does, see if it was a replacement for both Anno and Plosy, or if it's something else. It's something else. It's a total eclipse of the heart. It's not doing what it says it's supposed to do, so. I'm wondering if I'm missing something. Actually, you can guess which character is next on the list. If you remember things from the game. This character is not getting added to the party, though. Thank you. What else? What happened? Renee has been revived. Include Renee in your party? No. Well then wait for us by the tower. We'll head there later. Alright, time to head into town. I feel I have to level up Analyze because it's saying that I should be able to turn into the monster, but it's not activating it, so. In fact, it doesn't act like that skill exists. I'm just trying to get this ability. I want to see what it does. I mean, I know what it does. I've used Woody for it, but I haven't used him in this playthrough. I don't want to show it off. Come on. It's gonna be the last attempt. If it doesn't do anything this time, I'll go ahead and start just doing head bombs so I can unlock new abilities. Just using this as a chance to level up Lloyd's skills for his temporary time in the party. Give him a new attack, you know. It's partially me just doing this to help make stream a little longer because I don't think we're going to push past the 2.5 hour mark. I could be wrong, but Let's just end this. Yeah. I think about where I was on that for a second. Like, which way am I going? Enemies have been destroyed. I think it's just fun, like power leveling characters. Just double checking if there's anything hiding up here other than that chest I've opened. Oh, that chest is gone too. Neat. Just a reminder, it's not gonna make a difference once we get into town. Everything is we're gonna be under attack the whole time. I love having attacks that attack just everything. Hey look, a Celestial, what do you got? We help you this time. Okay. Found Kite. I'm just gonna start fast forwarding this part. What the heck is this? Kite has been revived. Nope. Kite, wait first by the tower. We'll head over there later. Right. Laughing persons. No, stop laughing at me. Okay, anyway. Bad Grantis, how dare you ignore my words. Anyway. Don't actually care, but you know. I can't even push that door out of the way. I'm just gonna go down every path because there's gonna be people all over the village. Lloyd! Oh, Lloyd's dead. It's fine. Since you won't get experience from this fight. We got plenty of these. Not plenty of those though, we're getting low on these, but it's fine. We'll eventually be able to buy more as soon as I find the Celestial that sells them. One second. Can I just power jump? Nope. Okay, I was just curious. I see a Celestial. Just doing this to increase Grantis' reliability until he's out of the party, you know. Is it possible that this only works on monsters I've gotten the monster tart and everything? Enemies are destroyed. Hello, Celestial. That's not anything I'm looking for. Okay, that way's dead end. Yeah, the part of the reason I know I can just explore the whole village, though, is because anywhere that I can't go is just going to be blocked off. So it's really not going to be too hard to find everybody. Just a matter of running around until I find them all. Mantis. Stop ignoring my orders, Mantis. Now Lloyd too. Can't wait to get my party back. I like it. I see a little marionette of a man, got a moose, we do vandando. Thunderbolts of lightning, very, very frightening me. Little Lloyd, little Lloyd, little Lloyd, little Lloyd, little Lloyd, watch you go. Okay. This way. I've seen people say that the town, the biggest issue, one of the issues with one of the issues with the game is the town is a maze. The town is a maze because it also becomes a dungeon late in the game, as y'all can see. Anything over here? Nope. A well. And I can't observe this well anymore. Well, that's a shame. Which map am I on? This one. Okay. Cross work on gold walls. Let's find out. Bye, Lloyd. Just because gold walls are fucking pain to deal with still. Yes, and still didn't kill it. Interesting. But it's nice to know Grantis can actually damage these things. Alright. Enemies have been destroyed. Let's see. Rummy! Because this part takes forever, we're just gonna fast forward a bit. Mouse, what? What? Rummy has been revived. Include Rummy in your group? Yes, we're gonna replace Lloyd. Now we have a healer again. In fact, let's use that to our advantage. Magic. Rummy, use. Alright. That's dead end. Anything up here? A Celestial, what do you got? Nothing I care about. What the heck's a Ramiar? A Ramir. Like I was working on Lloyd's skills to help pass time, I'm also fast forwarding through the revives. What do you got? Finally. Healing items. There we go. I don't think there'll be anything north from here. Let's double check. A building that's intact? Can we go inside? Nope, can't go inside. So that was a complete waste of time going down this path. Yay, more battles. That whirlwind attack is annoying just because of how long it takes to do. Double horn. Back off. Alice, what happened to me? Nope. Wait for us by the tower. Okay. Coming around the rocks. Whee! I knew I was gonna do 0. Damn it, Grantis. Totals aren't a joke. I don't like dealing with them. Hey, was I dreaming or what? Plosey's been revived. No, we don't want Plosey. Fuck off, old man. You fucking pervert. Oh, if I went the correct direction when trying to go back. Mantis, stop ignoring orders. Huh, well, you know, your magic attack actually damaged the gold wall. Good for you. Really being confused is a problem. And we here. Hey, look, it's Fang. Sorry, Mouse. I didn't mean to cause trouble. Fang has been revived. Food Fang in your party? Yes. Bye, Grantis. I say I'll miss you, but, I wasn't raised a liar. These gold walls are becoming more of a joke now instead of a pain. Are they still a easy fight? Are they easy fights? Hell no. They're just easier. Switch. That's good for you. I'm pretty sure that's actually probably a mistranslation of Lamia. You know, a lot of times they're gonna switch to Yells and R's. Oh, what happened? Alright. Bye, Fang. I know you just joined us, but now I got both my healers. Okay, so now where to from here? Oh, I think I have to take Posey's path down into, I could be wrong. Sorry, I'm trying to find where Anno is at, because I've missed Anno somewhere. Oh, I see. Actually, I do want to go back to Posi's place, apparently, because, dang it. Thanks, game. I can buy Phoenix potions there. God damn it. Alright, turns out it doesn't matter. Alright. Back this way real quick. Oh, apparently he stays confused between battles. That's, oh right, I forgot that that's a thing. How dare I forget such a thing? I want to get to the Tower of Might switch farming for Claire so we can have the recovery. We'll see. Yeah, actually, so we can also do speed ups. No, I'm gonna keep roaming because super heal. Alright, when we get to the castle, we'll take a short break, but you know, partially because I need to give my cat her breakfast. Because I forgot to. And I forgot to when she was asleep, so I didn't want to wake her up by putting food in her bowl and making it in that weird move where cats are both Frankie and Zumi. I don't want to deal with these gold walls, so we're just gonna run. Now, the next place is wherever I found Bagoth. I can't remember where I found him. Has to be over here, though. I remember he was right in the middle of the path. Don't know why I did Charging Strike. Back this way then? Well, thank you for doing a useless skill on them. Because they weren't even damaged. Yes, he didn't do shit. Oh, wrong character. I meant to do that on running. I was thinking how Beak needs cured of confusion, even though he's not completely. Alright, real quick, you. Just stocking up, making sure we're still good. That's right, Bagoth was over here. I'm so confused. Okay, I'm definitely looking wrong here then. No. Okay. Hey, 1 second. I do apologize. I'll be right back. Everybody, try to do whatever you do. We'll be back in just a moment. Alright, sorry about that. My cat decided to demand I feed her by jumping on my desk and taking a small piece of plastic that was sitting here. Here's if it's trash I can throw out, but like, come on. That's not good for you, cat. You shouldn't eat that stuff. She wasn't eating it, but, you know, was to get my attention. Thanks, game. Oh, these things are annoying. Game lied to me. Or not game, the guide. Because I was checking where Anna was. And it said follow the path around, but he's not over here. Oh, I went east, so we won't go west. Oh, I might select Harpy, but whatever, he'll target Harpy in a second anyway. Sorry. Fucking got stuck on the rock. Oh good, it's a fight I don't want to do. There's Anno. How did I get here? Where am I? I was been revived. Nope. Alright. Now for a quick safety save. It's time to go storming the castle. It only took us an hour and a half to get everybody. It'll probably take us an hour to 2 hours to get through the castle and take on Zelphapilipolis. This part looks the same. Death Hyoko guy. Sure. Let's take the most powerful one I've got. Let's see. Both of these are these three right here are the most powerful I've got. Let's take the green one. Might as well, we're at the end of the game. If it dies, but otherwise it'll be helpful. Sorry, I was zoned out for a second there. Yeah, it's not helpful at all. Okay. I was thinking if that one thing that had all the maps had a map of the final dungeon. It doesn't. Worth a shot. Oh, wrong door. This is being really annoying. Yeah, I really gotta stop accidentally going through that wrong door. Almost went down the wrong path again. Didn't mean to do that. I forgot it changes the camera when you exit. This is a forced perspective area. Bye, Pix. It's pointless to grab you, I guess. Honestly, centaurs are really fucking annoying. It's really funny though, that guide I pulled up just so I could make sure I knew where everybody was. Or specifically find Anno. It says, it points out how the Soul Tower's changed in layout. I'm like, no shit, we watched it collapse. Of course it's gonna look different. What's next? We're gonna light the Mona Lisa on fire and then say, oh no, look, it's different? Whatever. Everybody! Nope, not you. Wait, no, that's right, I changed my mind. I would decide to keep Claire. Or not Claire, Rummy. Really, Holy Wave does nothing. Stop missing. You know, it's not like it hurts to try. I'm gonna go ahead and see if those are working now, because we're actually inside a dungeon. Nope. Okay. Oh, I tried. Stairs. Stairs again. I'm not dealing with this bullshit. We're not dealing with this bullshit. Jesus fucking Christ. I hate gold walls. I really, really do. I was not dealing with this. I highly doubt I did, but I'll laugh if I somehow found the correct path through the dungeon to get to Self-Bliss faster. I didn't even take one step, apparently. What do you mean one step? You can actually walk all the way to that chest first. I mean, one step away from dealing with the chest. Yay! Safety saves. That also means I'm on the right path. Like I said, there's not a map for this, and I'm just running around. Either I find it, or I spend 2 hours trying to find it. I'm gonna go down first. I see an up, but I'm not sure if I want to go up. Tell you what, though, I am tempted to load the PS2 emulator just to use hacks on this and see what happens if it's possible to defeat Self-Bliss. Well, not possible, but you know what I mean. Like, if you have maxed out stats, what happens if you beat Self-Bliss right at the first loop? It breaks the game, or you know. You know, curiosity. Can we move yet? There's one more skill to learn from Double Blow, so I'm just trying to get that leveled up. What level is that now, anyway? Not status. Skill. Still level 7? Damn. Another one, yay. So going down was the correct path. Hooray. I'm literally running entirely off instinct right here. Also, the fact that there's no top of the tower anymore, technically, unless you count the roof, that's collapsed. Yeah, our current ring, I probably won't get Double Blow maxed out, well, not maxed out, but leveled up before the time has come. That was interesting. I saw a bit of screen turn on the last area. That was actually the first time I saw screen tear in this game. Get off the lamp. Oh, the other side of the chest. Mega bomb. Mega bomb. Hey, look, a battle we're not gonna fight. I can pull this bullshit. Green bullshit. Gold walls are bullshit. And literally everybody knows it. God damn it, I just cured Romy of her poison. Nope. Okay. I wasn't sure if I could get that going before I'll skill about the harpy. Oh, the shot. Enemies are destroyed. What's going on with Beak? I'm gonna show a status effect, but he's not moving. That was weird. Thanks, game. That feels almost pointless. Oh, thought that was an equip item. Well, that was a waste. Door. We found a door, everybody. Oh, this looks like the very first floor, almost. Well, I mean, of the original tower before it collapsed. Is actually gonna do something this time since he's been damaged? Oh. Oh, now I know what that does. That's So it was a healing move, but it's not the healing move I thought it was gonna be. You stop reviving everybody? Oh, yes, you're reviving everybody again. No, finally, okay. Jesus Christ. Ugh. That's not a path. Okay, so we go this way. I swear it looks like you're supposed to go fit through there, but... Alright. North? Let's go north. Just gonna stick with the north path for now until I know better. Cool on it. And revive potion. Still not sure what dexterity is, unless it's health fasting charge, in which case, yeah, why not? Looks like it's a dead end right there. Yep. Yay. I don't think I want to go back upstairs. Do I? Sluggish. Actually, I would not be surprised if we have to get up to the now collapsed roof. Let's go this way. Another door. God, I hate these fucking things. Well, there's a pointless chest open. the hell is that noise? It's already immediately moving too. Come on. I'm on the stairs, really. See, the reason I thought I might have to go back upstairs is because that pool we saw that was next to an upstairs thing. I just finally level 8, so it's only got one more level till I get that final skill from that one that we're aware of. I got an egg. Sorry, the only reason I'm getting tired of all the encounters is because it's been basically non-stop for a while now. There's been no breaks in the encounters for 2 hours now. I think I'm allowed to be tired of random encounters, right? After 2 straight hours of dealing with them. Did I get turned around? Yes, I did. I guess I knew I got turned around this time. I had to think about it for a second. Down? Okay, I turned myself around. I'm losing my mind. Game, please just let me finish these things. I'm thinking Course is gone first, so they can't revive everybody. God fucking damn it. Does that mean you get to the boss already? That's all be done. I think I can go through as many rooms and encounter a dead end though, so which means I'm pretty sure I'm on the right path. I could be wrong. I could be in for a hell of a dungeon run. I don't know, those pendulums are a pain in the ass. And now they're just a joke. Like a complete joke. They're like lowest of the low. Sorry finding out that was a dead end on the other side of the stairs. Let the game go down it. Like this whole fight, huh? Oh, thank God he does speed up instead. A fog sphere. Are you gonna tell me those are gonna finally work now? Yeah, that's what I thought. Piece piece of shit telling me, hey, got a gift for you. I have a feeling that staircase is gonna just take me to an item. Take that, you fucking assholes. This is really getting annoying. Nice and second King Corsair, so just gonna... There we go. Yes. Well, that's perfect timing on getting it. Of course, there's the pool I saw earlier. Right after I just went through all that. Come on. I swear sometimes reading the memory card is a pain for this thing. Alright, I do apologize. I'll be right back. Everybody stretch, hydrate what you need to do, and we'll be back in just a moment. Be right back. Sorry about that. Really needed a drink. I didn't grab one. Yep. Just because my brain, I just want to say one more time. Just be on the safe side. Don't ask why. It's 90% sure it comes from like an incident while I was a kid where I thought I saved it and I didn't. So now I just have to constantly make sure. Wait, did it seriously let me dead end after that many rooms? Oh no, that'll be fucking awful. Especially since we're going up against a magic user. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So I have a feeling it's because I went up that immediately available staircase. Doesn't make me feel better about it, but you know. Oh, it worked out anyway. Okay. I was gonna double load anyway. I'm not sure if it actually gives me experience every time it does 0, but you know. Might as well. Alright. This time let's go further around the corner here. So nothing that way. Damn it. How much of a dead-end route did I take? Excuse me, sorry. Why'd I do that? Oh no, you're gonna do nothing. Anyway. I thought we were going, I might be level 50 by the time we get to Self-Bliss. Harsh, these fucking random battles just won't stop. Oh, these guys are gonna give me jack shit too. Oh, Rummy's gonna die. I guess the AI decided to heal him instead. I'm gonna take a nap. Let me know when we've reached South Bliss. I don't hate this game. I'm just the fact I can't do anything about the random encounters is getting annoying. I think that's understandable. Oh. 137 gold wall. Wow, throwing kick must have leveled up. Also, I'm mad that I went the wrong way. Doesn't help that I legitimately don't know which way I'm supposed to go. At this point, I don't think up is the right answer. Considering the whole section of this have me going through the entire center of the dungeon, which means like the floors, which means any up paths are going to be on outer edges at this point. It's possible up is still an answer, but that's honestly why I started early, because I had no idea how bad this dungeon was going to be, and I got some stuff I need to do tonight, so you know. I remember parts of this dungeon, I just don't remember enough about it, because I just remember being lost last time. The reason I keep doing that is because I keep thinking it's Mouse doing charging strike. I'm confused why I'm not seeing charging strike. That's right, that area was a chest room. A King Ruse, that's new. Actually was the new one anyway. Oh, interesting. And we still defeated in one hit. The enemy killed in one hit. Alright, that's the door we came out of. Let's try going down this path. I'm having to come all the way back down here and going back to that very bottom floor and finding another area. Oh well. Like, we obviously aren't struggling much in here, it's just, you know, annoying. The occasional need to heal is nothing compared to constant death, so. And that was a dead end, so back to the door then. I had to think for a second where I was going. Keep looking at that clock and going, oh wow, today's almost over. No, it's also, first off, only about 6 p.m. But second off, time's frozen. I'm mostly just using it as a compass at this point. I can remember which way is north, south, east, and west, because, well, very easy to get confused in most in these places, you know? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got these chests on the first run through here. Okay. I'm guessing we want to go to the south then, to where the original door was. If I can find the path there anyway. Oh, there's the central room where we fought the dragons. Wait for that attack to finish a second. There we go. Oh, Rummy leveled up. I was like, wait, who leveled up? We're all the same level. There we are. I made it. And I think I was just a dumbass. So you finally made it, Mouse. Do you want her? It's a little too late to try and come between us. We are one now. Her powers are now totally mine. Not only magical force of this magnitude couldn't be endured. By stopping time instead of having simply looped, the islands been forced into a new eternity. Result, I'm no longer able to turn human form, but it doesn't bother me. By the way, she'll never have feelings for me, so... Mouse. Mouse. Mouse, you're very charming. I'm envious. I wasn't lying about why I invited you to the island. I really did like the melodies of your compositions. Why don't you try to stay here on the island forever? I miscalculated. I didn't know you were a canon. I never anticipated you stealing something that I had spent years trying to obtain. I'm talking about Lorio's supposedly frozen heart. I cannot excuse you, Mouse. Your very existence is intolerable to me. I will vanquish you. From our island. Okay. Might as well. Goes out and he heal immediately. Zero. Well, this actually ends up putting me all the way back at the thing. We'll find out. Maybe this is a forced fail state for the first phase. I don't know. We'll find out. It's been a while. Like I said, about 10 years since I last played this. Honestly, I don't think I ever wrote down the last part anyway. Because it was end game and it's like, you know, once you're there, you're there. There. This is it. It's over now. Be gone, mouse. Mouse! That sound? L'Oreal. Selfless, thanks to you, I know now how to reach this power within. Never wanted this. As the Queen of Pandule, I'm going to destroy you now. L'Oreal! Mouse, take this. Uh-oh. May have to use the Phoenix Push on mouse. Yep. Good thing I have some. I'm gonna have to use one on Rummy too. Oh no, I'm not. Sweet. Yep. Kind of pointless for me to select anything with Rummy, she's just gonna die now. Oh, meant to use on Beak, whatever. Yes, here's heal yourself, Beak. I don't know why I just did diving kick on Zelper. Oh, you're lucky, you can use that attack again. Oh, she actually damaged him. I thought she wasn't going to be able to. I don't know why I thought she wasn't going to be able to, but... Get yourself real quick, Beak. Mouse dies, I can just Phoenix Potion him again. We got plenty. Oh, there goes Romy. So I'm just gonna have to be on revive duty for a second. He's almost dead, but I don't want to risk taking him out with and die, you know. It's also still finish him, but don't want to risk things when we're at the final boss, you know. Oh, I used the wrong one. Shit. Sucks to be you. I have anti Status effect on mouse. We did it! No, is there a phase 2 of this? I don't remember. Well, that was technically phase 2, but you know what I mean. Don't come near me. My body's about to explode. The power of Holy was too much for me after all. Nothing can be done. Regardless, my body will only survive for 7 days. Reminds me of Cicada. The energy L'Oreal absorbed over the years is phenomenal. Thanks to her, the power of Tang exceeded my own expectations, but the price was enormous as well. Especially for someone with only the body of a master, the burden was too much. If I will hold on the 6th day I will even reduce this form, on the 7th day it will burst into flames and burn into oblivion. So that's why you're having time repeat. You didn't want the 6th day to arrive. That's right. Now go. Go quickly. That here are those I least want to have witnessed my pitiful death. Please grant me this last wish. A true gentleman, true to the end. Is that what you fell for, L'Oreal? My look. How you doing, Gilham? Just finishing up this game. We just defeated the final boss. Where's Mouse? Where did Mouse go? No! Mouse. This light is Mouse. That's impossible. He's not such a romantic fellow, you know. Mouse. Something else you want to say? No. Self-replaced and I shall cast a final magic spell. I shall return Panjul back to its original state has started to take effect. Now we're at the credits stuff anyway, so let's go full screen for this. I've done editing stuff, and good God, that's gonna be a pain to deal with. Lion's coming back to life. Look, this means we won. We won. Frozen time will revert back to normal. I took a look at the town. If everything continues this way, it should be alright. There's just one thing I don't understand. I understand Zerpapillus froze time on the island, but because he can only survive 7 days. Why did he choose 5 days leading up to the wedding? And he could have just repeated any 5 days, couldn't he? Oh, don't you get it? It's so obvious. Yeah, I think for the princess, he seriously had feelings for her. He want to keep on having the wedding. That's ridiculous. No, I don't think it's so far from the truth. Self-Plus wanted to control not only the princess's power, but her heart as well. Don't you think that's why you had the weddings occur over and over again? While on the one hand, that was her punishment, it was also a reflection of his love for her. It's possible that Self-Plus loved her from the bottom of his heart. Mouse, do you feel the same way? Do you want to control my heart as well? Oop, I meant select no. Oh well. Unbelievable. You got a compliment, Princess. It's so unusual this guy would say how he truly feels in front of all these people. That took a lot of courage, eh, Mouse? Ah, the Disney kiss. Hey, Rena, how about going and waking up that musician? It's about time you should be getting up. It's almost time for the party at the palace, isn't it? It's too early. Boy, Daddy, you're so inconsiderate. I have no idea what crazy thing has been happening on this island. You're so absorbed in your own little world. Wow, it looks like you're really in deep sleep, Mouse. Go ahead and sleep in today. I'll make sure no one bothers you. Dun dun dun. He's gone. Alright, it's finished. Wow, that's amazing. I mean, for you to take the initiative and start painting on your own, for it turned out to be such an accomplished work of art. Yeah. My model is good, and besides, I'm talented too. I gotta get going. I need to get a celebratory gift. I'm done. Lloyd, why are you so adorable? I wonder if it's too gaudy for the kid. Oh well, it doesn't matter. He's the hero who saved the island after all, so having it this showing means it's probably just about right. I can't wait to see Mouse's excited face. I can't wait until the party. Right, Lloyd? Clack clack. I love you, Lloyd. You're my friend. This guy? Zenny? Oh, come on, don't misunderstand and get all jealous. It's Rochet's major star. Psst, psst. Psst, psst. And now Mouse, the musician, will lead us in a song. Now the princess has a few words first. You know, being an announcer is harder than it looks. I'm going to get through this show to show my appreciation for Mouse, or admiration, not appreciation. But you know, it's a lot more fun battling monsters. Anyway. What Mouse will say. What the? You idiot! How could you just let Mouse go on and not say a word? Bye, you great gay bull. Is this how you wanted to be, Mouse? We're just thieves after all, fugitives on the run. Luckily we were able to help the islanders. That's because a truly nasty enemy appeared. We're just lucky it was more evil than us. In usual circumstances, we are the evil enters their otherwise peaceful lives. We can't stay here on the island any longer. Exactly. We're surrounded by good people and some good women, too. It was an interesting island. Every day was like a dream. And it really was a dream. Nepangela is just an island paradise dreamed up by Zelphopoulos, a descendant of the Canon. Just might be. That makes me reluctant to leave the place. At the very least, as a parting gift, we can offer this song. That's a good idea. Besides, bonus since we had a chance to get together like this. As the third time I've beat this game now. So yay. Alright. I wonder if it auto-saved. I doubt it. It'll probably put me right back outside that room, right? I don't remember. It's been a while. I guess I deleted my old saves. Yep, nope, it's right back where we were. Okay. Alright. Thank you everybody for stopping by. Tomorrow we'll be starting Eternal Strands to continue the Monster Elimination project. And we'll be playing that Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then it's going to be back to our regular schedule starting next week of Mondays and Tuesdays only. Or whatever my days off are if my schedule changes at work. Wednesday is the 2-year stream anniversary. I'll have some special guests. We're going to have some fun. It's going to be a nice little chill time. That'll be at 7 p.m. Eastern. In the meantime, though, let's go ahead and raid out. We're going to go ahead and raid someone from the community. I haven't actually watched them before, but it's always fun to raid people from the communities you're in, you know? But yeah, raid message is going to be... how I type in their name correctly, too, wasn't it? Raid message is going to be... There we go. We stole Princess's heart and Pan Jewel. Now what can we steal here? But yeah, again, thank you everybody for stopping by. We will be back tomorrow. We'll be starting Eternal Strands. And basically reaching the end of the list. Because the last 3 games are all on PS5. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. And I will see who's here tomorrow. Bye-bye.